Think about driving on a foggy road where visibility is low. The best way is to put your blinker on and follow the vehicle in front for safety. If you find yourself in a foggy situation in data engineering and can't see ahead, don't panic. Follow the leading vehicle. Just like in driving, following a reliable source can guide you through tough times in your project. With Vaanii Data Engineering, it's like having a front vehicle that helps you navigate without having to go solo. Embrace this journey for a safe and secure path through the fog of uncertainties in data projects.
One of the best learning platform available is Vaanii.com. To know more details about Azure Data Engineering Course, contact us. +12 01-78 1-8538. WhatsApp +91 8882 661885. Email info@vaaniitech.com.